Here is to solve the system of equations using graphing. So the first thing we need to do is to solve for y for both equations so that we're putting it into slope-intercept form. So I'm going to subtract 5x from both sides on this top, which gives me negative 3y equals negative 5x plus 3. So then what I have to do is I need to divide both sides by negative 3. So that gives us y on the left side. Negative 5x over negative 3 is just 5/3 x, and 3 over negative 3 is just negative 1. So there's my first equation that I'm going to graph in a second here, but I want to also make this equation into slope-intercept form, so I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides, which gives me negative y equals negative 3x plus 9 here. Then I'm going to divide both sides by negative 1, which gives me y equals 3x, because this just becomes positive, minus 9. So there are my two equations. Now I just need to graph them. I'll graph this first one in red here. So I have a y-intercept of negative 1 and a slope of 5 over 3. So I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and over 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. I could also go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and to the left 3 as well. And there's my line for the first one. My second one I'll go ahead and do in blue here. So my slope is 3, my y-intercept is negative 9, so I'm going down 9, up 1, 2, 3 over 1, 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 up 1, 2, 3 over 1. And finally, we see where it crosses, which is the whole point of this. We see that it crosses at, what is that, 6, 9 here. So my final answer is 6, 9. That's where it crosses. So what I could also do is plug these values back into these equations to check my answer, and we would find that it makes both equations true.